Hi, I'm Tim Miller from Plus Technologies. Today I'm going to be talking about the native print spooling system found in Windows. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about the limitations. When I'm talking about limitations, I'll give you an example. Have you ever sent a print job into a Windows printer and for whatever reason the job mysteriously vanished into thin air, never to be found again? In addition to things like that, there are issues such as the print spooling service failing. You can do a Google search and you'll notice that there are multitudes of results that come up if you type in Windows print spooling service. When the print spooling service fails, all printing stops, it ceases. And there's no way to recover that until that service is restarted. Sometimes even trying to manually restart the service does not work and you end up having to reboot. In addition to those types of limitations, there are also features and functionality limitations to the operating system. The operating system itself was never intended to do much more than just simply print documents. So if you're in a particular business that documents are of most, time-sensitive type documents or things that you absolutely have to print, there can be issues with Windows. Specifically, what we call that feature is print confirmation. So Windows does not include any type of print confirmation. So when you send a document to a Windows printer, you kind of hope and pray that it actually prints. You have no way of really knowing, other than somebody standing at the printer, that it actually finished printing. There is no true load balancing in Windows. They have a feature called printer pooling, but it's not actually load balancing. There's no alert notification, so if a particular printer goes down, other than maybe pulling up a web browser and pointing it at the printer, somebody from a help desk or somebody that's an administrator would have no way of really knowing that a print device is down. There's no page level restarting in Windows. When I'm talking about page level restart, what I'm referring to is if you send, let's say, a 10-page document into a Windows printer and 5 of those pages print, and when that 5th page finishes printing, all of a sudden the printer jams or it goes offline. There's no way of restarting that page from where it left off. You end up having to restart the print job from the very start. There's no automated failover. So if you're like in a production environment, let's say like an assembly line where you have labels that you're attaching to inventory, and you can't afford for that assembly line to stop. You may have a primary and a secondary printer set up so that if the primary printer goes down, jobs can be routed to that secondary printer. Well, and right now in a Windows environment, there's no way of that happening automatically. It's strictly a manual process. So if you're experiencing these limitations, the only way to overcome those limitations are to seek a third party, such as OwnPlus Delivery Manager, which is the product that we here at Plus Technology have developed. We can do things such as print confirmation, we can do load balancing, we can do an alert notification, and we can couple that with an automated failover solution so that if your primary printer goes down, the secondary printer can automatically pick up those print jobs and start printing, and an alert can actually be sent to the help desk or system administrator. We also have the ability to do that page level restart that we were referring to. In addition to those features, we provide an intelligent conditions-based system that will allow you to set a criteria and take action based on that criteria. We have audit logs that will keep track of user and printer statistics and information. We have the ability to burst or bundle jobs. And we have lots more features. The product is very scalable And if there are features that you're looking for that are not included in the product, we are very customizable. So if this information was valuable to you and you would like to find out more information about OM Plus Delivery Manager or some of our other products, you can find us at the web at www.plustechnologies.com, or you can contact us toll free at 877-899-7587. Thank you.